In this video, we will learn the application of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. The example is find the LCM and HCF of 336 and 54 by prime factorization method. Verify the LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So let us take the number 336 and find the prime factor in the working column. So 336, on dividing it by the smallest prime number 2, we get 168. On dividing 168 by 2, we get 84. Again, on dividing 84 by 2, we get 42. On dividing 42 again by 2, we get 21. Now, 21 cannot be divided by 2. If you take the sum of the digits of 21, it is 3. So 21 can be divided by 3 and we will get 7. Now 7 is a prime number which will be divided by 7 itself. We get 1. Thus, the factors of 336 are 2, 2, 2, 2. It is 4 times, then 3, 7 and 1. Now let us find the factors of 54 in the working column. 54, on dividing it by 2, we get 27. Now 27 cannot be divided by 2. If we look at the sum, 2 plus 7 is 9, which can be divided by 3. On dividing 27 by 3, we get 9. On dividing 9 again by 3, we get 3. And dividing 3 by 3, we get 1. The factors of 54 are 2, 3, 3, 3, 3 times, and 1. Now let us write the factors in the solution part. So 336 is equal to 1 into 2 raised to 4. 2 is present 4 times, therefore we write 2 raised to 4, then into 3 into 7. So these are the factors of 336. Now the factors of 54. They are 1 into 2 into 3 times 3, that is 3 raised to 3. Now when you look at the overall factors, so the factors which are there, we will make a list of it. It is 1, 2, 3 and 7. Now let us write the LCM. For LCM, the factors to be selected are to be present maximum times. So let us take the first factor, 1. Now 1 is present 1 times in 336 and 1 time in 54. Therefore, the maximum presence is 1. Therefore, we write 1 in LCM. Now think of the second factor, 2. Now 2 is present 4 times in 336 and 1 times in 54. Therefore, the maximum presence is 2 raised to 4. So take 2 raised to 4 in the LCM part. Then the next factor, 3. Now 3 is present 1 times in 336 and 3 times in 54. Therefore, we select the maximum times, which is 3 raised to 3. And now the last factor, 7. This factor is present 1 times in 336 and absent in 54. Therefore, we select the maximum time, that is 7 1 times. On multiplying the factors, that is 1 into 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3 into 7, we get 3024. Now let us find the HCF. For HCF, we take the factors which are present minimum times. So now let us start from 1 again. So the first factor is 1. 1 is present 1 time in 336 and 1 time in 54. Therefore, the minimum presence is 1. Therefore, we write 1 in the HCF part. Now, the next factor is 2. 2 is present 4 times in 336 and 1 times in 54. Therefore, the minimum presence is 1 time. Therefore, we take 2 in the HCF part, that is 2 raised to 1. Now, the next factor is 3. 3 is present 1 times in 336 and 3 times in 54. Therefore, the minimum presence is 1 time. Therefore, it is taken in HCF. And now, lastly, the factor 7. 7 is present 1 times in 336 and absent in 54. Therefore, it will be absent in HCF. Now, multiplying the factors that are selected for HCF, we get 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6. Now the verification. So let us multiply LCM into HCF. LCM is 3024 and HCF is 6. This multiplication is 18,144. Now let us take the product of two numbers. The two numbers are 336 into 54. We get 18,144. Thus we note that the product of LCM and HCF and the product of two numbers are equal. Thus it has been verified that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Verified? Thank you.